Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look again on the gold market. So as you remember, yesterday we talked about the bullish grabber that has been formed on the daily chart, and we said this could add some tricky action on the gold market. Gold market action could become again cunning because although we have talked initially on the possible ABC retracement lower somewhere to the 1273 area, but also the second scenario that we have talked about is the bullish grabber on a daily, and we said that aggressive traders could try to take the long position based on the bullish grabber because it provides perfect risk-reward ratio. So risk was very small, but potential target around 1304 provides very good 10 times greater possible return on your trade. So currently, as you can see, that this scenario takes some continuation, and market has formed another grabber here yesterday, and today we could get another one as well. So since market already stands above the 618 resistance and it's above the OP target, potentially here we do not have any significant resistance levels. So the overbought stands at 1310 approximately. So here it's relatively free space, and nearest target will be 1304, but potentially market indeed could continue move high because, as you know, our major thought that currently the gold has very friendly background, fundamental background, shutdown of the government, problems with the negotiation with the China, the pause and the Fed hiking rate. So all this stuff is supportive to the gold, and it should not be any surprise if market will continue move high because that mostly corresponds to our long-term view. That being said, the scenario that we have talked about recently when the 4-time frame chart was cancelled, so that was the conservative scenario. If you remember, we said that you could keep an eye on the 1273 because this is strong support. That will be a good opportunity for taking the long position, but since market keeps well at these lows and simultaneously now it moves above the C point, this ABC reparation has been erased, this butterfly has been erased. So now chance on upward direction stands better than the downward continuation. And the scenario, the primary scenario that we will be watching for is the butterfly that we have talked about yesterday. So this butterfly 1304 stands as a 127 extension, its first destination point, so market should take it out of this top. Potentially it could be 1311, 1312, so this is approximately stands where the daily everybody is. So maybe market even will continue to move higher. Difficult to say currently right now, but speaking about the daily grabbers, at least 1304 should be hit. Currently, as you can see, market has completed inner AB equals CD target, and that's why here you could see some minor retracement stance. So as soon as it will be finished, upward action probably will be reestablished. At the same time, guys, we should not totally deny the idea of the possible retracement a bit later, because currently it's very difficult to predict how gold will behave after this top will be taken out. That could become just the kind of the stop grabbing action. Market could just show wash and rinse of this top and then turns to the major retracement. That's also could happen because this is gold market, and the gold market this happens very often. That's why I think that it's not time yet to think about the far standing and extended targets. Let's focus first on the 1304 and grabbing on the stops around the stop, and after that we will see what will happen, because I still think that we need to keep the scenario of the possible retracement on the table, because it still could happen, because market still stands on the weekly chart around it in the overbought area, and healthy pullback is still possible. But currently within today's session and until the end of the week, probably will be focused on the possible upward continuation, reaching of the 1304, completion of this butterfly, and later we will see what will happen next.